Humans just don't get us. We're not just pretty. We're alive, reacting, adapting, surviving. But now it's much easier. Meet Plantiemoji, my AI health tracker and your plant translator. For the first time in history, I can finally communicate to my human in the easiest language ever: emojis. When I'm thirsty, Plantiemoji shows a "please water me." When the sunlight is too intense, I'm like, "Too bright, babe." When the air is stale, it goes, "Help, I can't breathe in here." No guessing, just one look and you know what I need. And there's an adorable app too. You can make a cute avatar of me, track my growth, and get step-by-step care tips. Based on your photos and real-time data from the sensor, our AI doctor will provide you insights and care plan so you always know what to do next. Need extra help? You can even talk to a live AI plant doctor on video, anywhere, anytime. All to make sure your plant gets the expert care it deserves. And even when you're not home, you can take your Plantiemoji with you. So my status is always in your sight. Emoji Smart, Screenless Smart, and Watering Reminder versions. So now with Plantiemoji, look at me, grow me, love me. Maybe one day we'll actually be able to speak to humans.